Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some new spellings of sound. As you already know that letter S has the sound S, but we can also write sound with some different spellings. So if you are the one who is interested in learning this for yourself or for your children, this video is just for you. And this channel is for you as well because here I teach you English spelling rules, English phonics, English grammar, the foundation maths curriculum for children, and above all, how to teach all this stuff to your little ones. So it's the right time to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And now let's just dive in. So here we have some different graphemes, but they all have the same sound, that is S. The first and the most common is single letter S that says sound as in skip. Then we have double letter S that comes at the end of English words after a short vowel as in floss. This is the floss rule as well. If you want to learn this rule, I will share the link in the description box. You can check it out there. Then we have the soft C rule. Whenever C is followed by E, I or Y, it says sound as in scent, city, fancy. All these C's are saying sound, not the K sound, right? If you want to learn this rule, again, you will find the link in the description box. Now, our today's main focus is these two spellings, S-E and S-T. In many words, you will find SE at the end of them, and here E is silent. It will not give any sound. It is just a two-letter phonogram with a silent E. Similarly, ST is also a two-letter phonogram with a silent T. Since we do not have any rules for these two spellings, so we simply make some spelling lists for children, and with a continuous practice, they will learn them really fast. So come on, let's see the list of SE phonogram first. Okay, so here I have the list of some common words that end in SE. Why we need to make a list of these words? What is the tricky part of this? It is only this silent final E that is coming after the letter S, okay? Because when you say the word, you will only hear the sound like in house, mouse, horse. But when you write it, you need to write a silent final E. So do we have a rule for this? No, we don't have any rule for this. But yes, there are some tips that you can give to your children to help them in writing this spelling. The tips are, if the word is not plural, you can write SE. For example, if the word is cat, the plural of it would be cats. So now, cats, it's a plural. So you will not write this with SE. It would come only with a single S. But if the word is not plural and even then you are hearing sound at the end, so you can write SE. Second tip, that the word should not be following the floss rule. What is a floss rule? That after a single short vowel, like in this word, floss, we have a single short vowel that is O, you need to double the S. So if the word is not following this rule, for example, in the word house, we do not have a single short vowel before sound or letter S. So we would write SE spelling for this, right? The word should not be plural, tip 1. The word should not be following the floss rule. Then you can end the word with SE. Let's have a quick look on these words. You can help children by marking the sounds like this. Ow, s, house. Ow, s, mouse. Ow, spouse. Mention this again and again that before sound we do not have a single short vowel, so we are not doubling it. And because this is not a plural, so we need to add a silent final E. The meaning of a spouse is life partner, okay? The next word is horse, horse, an animal. Goose, goose. This is a kind of bird that can swim and can walk on land but cannot fly. Geese, geese. Goose is a singular and geese is plural. Next word is or pro, miss, promise. This E is not the split digraph. It's not the magic E that will pull the sound of to I. It's not promise, but this is to support this S, and the word is promise. When you commit somebody to do something, it's a promise. Next word is reverse. Here you need to mention that the vowel is saying its schwa sound, so you will write it as reverse, but you will read it as reverse. Okay, it's a swallow sound of vowel. It's mean to go backward. Then the word is pulse. Pulse. Pulse means a continuous throbbing or beating of the nerves or the veins or the arteries. You can even tell children to put their finger over here and feel the pulse. Okay. Then we have the word dense. Dense. Dense means thick. It could be dense population, means thick population. It could be a dense fluid, a thick fluid like honey. Then the next word is collapse. Call, lapse, call, lapse. We write it like this, but we read it with the schwa sound. Collapse. Okay, collapse means a sudden fall. It could be used for a building, that the building collapsed. It just falls straight away, or a person can also collapse. He can get faint. So we would say that the girl collapsed. Okay, then the next word is nonsense. Sense. Nonsense. Nonsense means anything that doesn't have any sense. Disperse. Disperse. Disperse means to spread. The pollens dispersed. Next word is suspense. Suspense. Easy to write word. The only tricky part in these words is the silent final E. So if you help children with these two tips, these words are so simple to write. Then we have the spelling of increase. Incur. E. This is the E2. The second is spelling of the long vowel E. So increase. S is saying the Z sound here. So you need to mention it with number 2. Before giving any vocabulary that has the Z sound, you need to make them learn that letter S can have two sounds, S or Z, right? So in increase, we have the second sound of S, that is Z. Increase means to grow large or to extend or spread. Then we have the word seize, E, again E2, and then Z, S2. Seize. Seize means to stop. Cease fire. Stop fire, right? Then we have the word corpse. Corpse. Corpse means the dead body. It could be a dead body of an animal or of human as well. Then we have I, the three-letter I, light, house, lighthouse. Lighthouse means a building with a beacon to show way to ships in the sea or in oceans, right? So this was just a short list of SE words. There are many more SE words. The only thing you can help children with is with these 2 tips. Remember that these are not any rules. These are just some tips that can help children a lot. And now we are going to check our next list with the ST words. So here is the list of ST digraph in which T is silent and only S will say its sound. The first word is castle. ST is here, but it will only say T is silent. Castle means a large, strong building used in the battlefields to fight against the enemies. Then we have the word bustle. Bustle means to move in an energetic manner or quickly. The next word is bristle. T is again silent. Bristle means stiff hair on the body of an animal or on man's face when they shave their face and the new beard starts coming out. So that time the hair are just like bristles And you can also say the bristles of a hairbrush, the bristles of a toothbrush. So bristles means hard, stiff hair of animal or man. Then the word is thistle. Thistle is a name of a plant. Then we have the word jostle. Jostle means in a hurry. The next word is whistle. It's a sharp, high-pitched voice that you can take out from your mouth. Then we have the word gristle. Gristle is a bone, a soft bone like the cartilage, the bones of our ears. Then we have the word nestle. When it comes in a brand, so we say it Nestle. But here the word is nestle in English. It means to settle or lie comfortably against a wall or against something. The word is nestle. It's not Nestle, it's nestle. Then we have the word wrestle. Wrestle. Here W is also silent. W-R-E-S-T-L-E. Wrestle means to take part in fight. Okay. So if you want to learn about this diagram with the silent W, I will share the link in the description box. You will get many words and why this W is written here as well. Now here we have some words that are ending mostly in en. Here I made the list with the words ending in le, so it becomes easier for children to remember: castle, bustle, bristle, thistle, jostle, whistle, gristle, nestle, wrestle. Here you will find the words ending in n sound, like listen. Listen means to hear. Glisten. Glisten means to shine. Moisten. Moisten means slightly wet. Fasten. Fasten means to tie something or to secure something, like fasten your seat belts. Okay, when you tie the seat belts around your waist or on your body, so we call it fasten. Then the word is hasten. Hasten means to be quick to do something. Then we have the word chasten. Chasten means to punish somebody, to correct him. The next word is chestnut. It's the name of a nut. We commonly mispronounce this word. It's not chestnut, it's chestnut without T. Then the most famous word Christmas with the silent T inside. The word is Christmas. Then we have another unusual word, but this is the name of a plant again, and we spell it like mistletoe. Mistletoe. Okay, ST is in the middle. But this is not a very common word. It is the name of a plant, and it is a parasitic plant that grow on apple trees and some other oak trees. So if you want to give this word, it's up to you. And if you want to just avoid it, no problem. So these were two new spellings of the sound that I wanted to share with you, and it would be very beneficial if your child is in grade 3, 4 and 5. Give one list at a time, practice that at least for a week. Ask children to make sentences of that vocabulary. If they do not know the meaning, give them the meaning. Ask them to write the meanings and then make sentences. Try to use these words in their daily conversations, and that's how they will build their vocabulary bank as well as their word bank by writing their spellings. I hope you have liked the video. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.